Hi, we are studying Mathematics Grade 6, Term 2. This is Cumulative Assessment 12 till lessons 8, 9, 10. We're talking about part, whole, and percentage. Let's start with the first question. Choose the correct answer. First point A, he said from the opposite tab diagram, we called this shape as tab diagram. Okay, I need to find the value of x. If you looked here, we have how many rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 rectangle. Okay. Here we have 3 rectangle. 1, 2, 3 equals 240. Right? So 3 rectangle, 3 times 1 rectangle, all of them equals 240. I need to find one rectangle equal what? So to find one rectangle, I will divide over 3 equals 1 over 3. Start with 24 over 3 equals 8, and we have 0. That means one rectangle will equals 80. Okay. So x has 10 rectangle. X has 10 rectangle. So one rectangle equal 80. So 10 rectangle equals what? Equals 800. 10 times 80. 10 times 80 equals 800. B. 3 over 5 divided what equals 1. Any fraction, any number, divide itself equal 1. So itself 3 over 5. C. From the opposite table, the value of the unknown, we have this table. Okay, where is the unknown? This unknown, not with me. We have whole, part, and percent. Of course, we know the algorithm said that here we have part and whole, and here we have percent. So to find the part, multiply whole by percent. To find percent, divide part over whole. To find whole, divide part over percent. Okay, so here we have the part equals 120. So part 120, percent 40%. I need to find what? The whole. So x here equal 120 over 40%. Okay. So the unknown, so x will equal 120 divided by 40%. How to solve? 120 divided 40 over 100. That's the percent. And to continue divide, I will convert this divide to multiply and find the reciprocal 100 over 40. Okay. And now what? I need to make simplify first. I can simplify 40 with 120. First, over 10 equals 4. Over 10 equals 12. Over 4 equals 1. Over 4 equals 3. So, now I have just 3 times 100 over 1. 3 times 100 over 1. 3 times 100 equals 300 over 1. That's equals 300. So the right choose 300. D. If the ratio between two numbers is 2 over 5, 2 to 5, and the greater number is 20, of course, the greater number corresponding to the greater ratio, the greater term, 5. Then the smaller number. Look with me. Here we have 2 over 5 equals the greater number 20 corresponding to 5. So 20 is here. And the smaller one is x. To find x, I will do it as a property. The property said product of means or extreme equals product of mean. So I will multiply 2 by 20 equals 5 by x. That will be 5 start with x first. 5x equals 2 times 20. That's it. We learned 2, so make simplify first. I have 2 sides. I can simplify 5 with 20. Over 5 equals 1. Over 5 equals 4. So I have 1x, that's 1x. 2 times 4 equals 8. Now the value of x is equals 8. So I would choose point A. E. 42% of 80 compared with 80% of 42. If we note 42 and 42, 80 and 80. But here the percent with 42. Here the percent with 80. That's the same. Why? Note with me, the first part is 42% over 100 times 80. And the next part is 80% times 42. What you note? I know that 100 and 100, that's okay. Denominators and the numerators 42 times 80, that's the same as 80 times 42. So it's equal each other. That's the same. I will choose B. Last point, by using the opposite model, this model, what is the quotient of 3 over 2 over 3? Okay, I have the first whole number 3. 1, 2, and 3. Divided 2 over 3. That's mean how many 2 over 3 in 3? So I have 1 over 3 and 1 over 3. That's 1. Another 1 over 3 and 1 over 3. That's 1. Now I have 2 over 3. And 2 over 3. And 2 over 3. So now how many 2 over 3? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4. But don't forget this part, remainder. This remainder is 1 over 3. I need 2 over 3. So this is 1 part. And I need 2 parts. So that's 1 over 2. That's half. So I have 4 and half. 4 and half is the right to choose. Let's go to question number 2. Okay. Question number 2, complete the following. First point, 10% of 50 kilogram equals what gram? Not with me. I have the first question is 10% of 50. Okay. So I need to convert kilogram to grams. So I will start it step by step with you. 10%, that's mean 10 over 100. That's okay. And what? Of, that's mean times 50. Okay. But unit kilogram becomes gram. To convert kilogram to becomes grams, what you do? From the great to the small, I will multiply. Kilogram contains 1000 gram. So I will multiply by 1000. So the result will be grams. Now continue to solve. I have to simplify denominator with numerator. I have here 100 and 1000. Over 100 equals 1. Over 100, 20 is 20. I have just 10. Okay? Now what? Now I have 10 times 50 times 10. So 1 times 5 times 1, that's 5. 0 and 0 and 0, so I have 3 zeros. So the result will be 5000 grams. Okay, next point B. 1 minus 25% equals what percent? So now I have percent and percent, but this is a whole number, not percent. But we know that 1 equals 100%. Why? Because 100% is 100 over 100 and that equals 1. Okay, now this question will be as 100% minus 25% and equals what percent? So I will just subtract 100 minus 25 and that's equal 75. C. A store offers a discount 10% off on a shirt of price 300 LE. Then the discount equals what? We know that I have discount as percent and the total price of the whole. I need to find this part equals what? I will use star algorithm. Okay, here I will put the part. What part? It's x. I don't know what's part. What's the whole number here? Is 300. That's the total price. And the discount or the percent is 10%. Now to find the part, multiply the whole number with the percent. So that's equals 300 times 10%. That's equal what? 300 times 10 over 100. I can make simplify over 100. Well, 1 over 100 equal 3. That means I have 3 times 10 over 1. Over 1, I can neglect this 1. And 3 times 10, that's equal 30. So the discount equal 30 LE. D. If the ratio 3 over 4 is equivalent to 9 over x minus 1, then x equals what? I need to find x. I have two equivalent ratio. Let's write it. So we have 3 over 4 equals 9 over x minus 1. Okay? Okay, that's easy. Let's see what had happened here. 3 becomes 9. How? 3 times 3 equals 9. What we do for the numerator, I will do it for denominators times 3. So now I can say that 4 times 3 equals x minus 1. Let's write it. 4 times 3 equals x minus 1. Now what? 3 times 4 equals 12 equals x minus 1. So this is an equation I need to solve to find x. Okay. What we do? Let's change the order of the side. Let's put x minus 1 as left side equals 12. That's the same. Then we have some problem here. I need x, not x minus 1. So I need to send this minus 1 to the other side. So now I have just x here equals 12. Where is minus 1? I sent it to the right side as plus 1. And 12 plus 1, that equals 30. And that's the value of x. Okay? Next, 0.25 kilometer per hour equals what meters per hour? Not with me. Here we have hour and hour. That's okay, no problem. But kilograms becomes meter. How to convert kilograms to meter? From the big to the small, from the great to the small. But kilometers contains how many meters? 1000. Times or divide from the great to the small. Of course, I will use times. So the number here was 25 times 1000. That will be 25,000. Okay, that's it. Last question 3. First point A. Yusuf bought a car for 70,000 pounds. So 70,000 pounds is the total or the whole. He paid 25% of its price. Note with me, this is the percent. We have percent here. Okay, so he paid 25 of 70,000. Now I need to find how much money did he pay? I need to find the part. So I have to need the part, and I know the percent, and I know also the whole number. Of course, I will use what? I will use algorithm. So the part is unknown here, that's x, and the total number here is 70,000, and the percent 25%. How to find the part as x? I will multiply whole number by percent. So he paid equals 70,000 times 25%, and that's equal 70,000 times 25 over 100. What we do? First, I can simplify numerator with denominators. How? Over 100 equals 1. Over 100 delete to 0. So we just have 70 times 25. That's easy. 7 times 25, 175. And we have 2 zeros here. So, comma here, the amount of money he paid is 17,500 pounds. Don't forget the unit. So the part is 17,500 pounds. B. A speed of car. We have some car runs away by 2,500 centimeters per second. So the speed, convert its speed to kilometers per hour. So all the problem here, I need to change the unit. Okay. So first I need to find the conversion factor from centimeter per second to kilometer per hours. Okay, then I will multiply this conversion factor by the number 200 or 2,500. Note with me and attention. That's equal. I have the number 2,500, but this number is centimeter per second. That's equal what? The number no change. Okay, times. I need to change this centimeter to what? To kilometer. How to change from centimeters to kilometers? Note with me, how many kilometers equals what? Kilometers equal 1,000 meter, but once 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Okay, so kilometers equal 1,000 times 100 centimeters. So if you need to convert from kilometers to centi, I will multiply 1,000 times 100. But the opposite, from centi to kilometers, I will divide the number by 100 and 1,000. So centimeter is numerator. I need to divide it by 1,000 and 100. So to divide both centimeter numerator, to divide by 100 times 1,000, and second to hour, the same. Hours equals 60 minutes, and every minute is 60 seconds. So to change from hour to second, multiply 60 by 60, but the opposite, divide it 60 by 60. That's so. Second denominator, to divide it, put the number numerators. So that would be 60 times 60. Again, why we put 60 times 60 numerator? Because second in denominator and I need to divide it. So second divided 60 by 60, and centimeter divided by 1,000 times 100. That's okay. Now I changed it to kilometers per hour. Now I need to find the result or the product. Okay. Now I changed centimeter to kilometers and second to hours. Now let's simplify. Okay, I have here 20 as 100 with 100. Okay, I have here 20 with 20 here. Let's write it down. That's equals. Just now I have 25 times 6 by 6 equals 36 over, I have here what? Just 10, 10. Now I just need to multiply 25 times 36 divided 10. Try yourself to multiply 25 by 36 by the algorithm. standard logarithm, you will find it as 900. Try it. Over what? Over 10. So 0, simplifying with 0, I have just 90. So the speed will be 90 kilometers per hour. And that's the end. Don't forget to share and subscribe, like our channel. Best wishes. Goodbye.